Here in the clean room, we follow strict protocols to guarantee the safety and quality of our supplements. Adjust the flow rate on the main conveyor. We're getting backed up here.
Understood. I'll reroute the overflow to bin 3.
Temperature is steady at 36.
Good. Bring this pallet inside and let's check the next one.
The temperature is stable and the batch record is verified.
Excellent. We can move these to processing immediately.
Check the timer. We have 4 hours remaining on this batch.
Confirmed. The pH is stable according to the log.
Our automated system ensures airtight heat seals on every pouch, followed by induction sealing for jars.
Is the Sephora truck secure?
Yes, sealed and ready for dispatch. Ulta is next in line.
Good morning. I have your collagen supplement order here.
All right, let's see. 50 cases, all accounted for. I'll sign the manifest now.
It's a precise process. But knowing these premium supplements help people achieve their wellness goals makes us proud.
Reveal youthful radiance with our premium collagen peptides, featuring 10 grams per serving for skin elasticity, hair strength, and nail health.